In this video, we're going to show you how to make your own homemade pure vanilla extract. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
She's behind the camera.
Hello.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make your own vanilla extract at home. Pure vanilla extract. We did this about a year and a half ago. And
it
we
was
made
a year and a half ago. It was in November of
2018.
Yes.
So it's almost 2 years ago. So we made 16 ounces of pure vanilla extract, and it lasted us for about 2 years.
Yeah.
And the longer you let it sit, the better it is.
Yeah, you do not have to worry about it going bad.
Correct. And so all you need for this, you only need 2 ingredients. That's it. You need vanilla beans and you need vodka. That's right. The only time during the year we go to the liquor store is to buy vodka for our vanilla extract. So for the vanilla beans, they come in 2 types, grade A and grade B. Now, if you're going to make your own vanilla extract, you want the grade B vanilla beans. And these are the ones we bought. They're called Fit and Clean, grade A, B, Madagascar vanilla beans, right there. Okay? Last time we bought vanilla beans, we only bought 6, and we used 3 per jar. Now, it's recommended that you use at least 5 to get the best flavor. And we only used 3 per jar, and they were more expensive than they were this time when we bought them. This time we got 10 vanilla beans for $25.
Yep.
Now they're a little more expensive. But
this is an expensive thing on the front side.
It really is. On the front side, you're going to think it's really expensive, and it probably is, especially for the vanilla beans. The vodka, you want to get the cheapest vodka you can get. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be name brand. Just whatever you want to get, the cheapest you can get on the shelf. That's what you want to get. So this one costs us $7.43. So altogether, we've got about $32 invested in our pure vanilla extract. So if you would go and buy vanilla extract on the shelf, pure vanilla extract, you're going to pay about $4 per bottle for it.
But for 1 ounce.
For a 1 ounce bottle. That's right. For a 1 ounce bottle, you're going to pay about $4. Some of the vanilla extract is more expensive than that. You may not be able to find it a lot cheaper than that. If you do, it's probably not pure. Make sure you check your package because it'll say imitation vanilla extract, and you don't want that. You want the pure vanilla extract. It costs a little more, but
you don't want whatever's in the imitation in your body.
Yeah, exactly. If it says imitation, don't get it.
That.
And so you want the pure vanilla extract, and that's what we're going to make today because it only has 2 ingredients. You know the ingredients that are going in it because I'm about to show you what they are. And so what you do is you want 2 jars that'll hold 8 ounces of liquid.
Yep.
And then you want your vodka, and you want something to measure with. Now, right now in our house, we don't have a liquid measuring cup.
Yep.
And it's hard to pour out of those other measuring cups. So
a dry measure, to get it, you'd have to fill it all the way to the top, and then you might spill vodka. You don't want to do that.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to waste your vodka. And so what we did is we took our trusty Mr. Lids, and they got markings on here.
Infomercial purchase.
Yeah, hashtag not sponsored. But these have lasted us about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
And we've only lost 1, and that was only by our neglect.
Yeah.
So the lids stay on them, and they stack pretty easily. And so they have markings on here. You're not going to be able to see this.
Yeah, no.
But there's a marking right there that says 8 ounces or 1 cup.
Yeah.
And so
work with what you have.
Work with what you have. That's right. And so I'm going to take the vodka now. And you do want to make sure you want to measure it out. All right, that's 8 ounces. And I'm going to bring it over here to the sink so I don't spill it. Or just in case I do spill it, because I have that mentality to spill things. going
Ooh, all the way to the top.
Okay.
Put a little down there anyway, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for our particular jars, 8 ounces may be a little too much, huh?
Yeah. This is about 8 ounces. Should be an 8 ounce jar. And so. Okay. And so, what you want to do is you're going to take 5 of the vanilla beans, and if they're too big for the jar, and these are, you're going to want to cut them. Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your knife, take it on the back side with the point down like this, and you're going to take your vanilla bean and you're just going to slit it down the middle so that the beans are exposed. So you're just going to take it like this and you're going to split it. You don't have to cut it in half, but you're just going to split it, put a little pressure on it, and open it up a little bit. And what you'll see is that it'll come open a little bit, just like this. And so you can see the beans in there, okay? And so that'll get all that good, yummy vanilla-ness out of there. And so I'll grab my trusty scissors. And I'm just going to take these in a bunch and just cut them like so. Just like that. And so I'm going to I'm going to slip these down in the jar. Just like that. Like that.
And so basically you did 5, which you cut into 2. So
Correct.
it's like
so it'll
10,
be 10 little
10 halves.
That's correct. And so you want to get your lid that's going to go on here. And you can always see it's already starting to bubble a little bit. But you want it tight. You want it tight on there. And right now it's not going to look like vanilla extract because what happens is the vanilla beans will seep out into the vodka over time, and it'll turn that deep brown that you're looking for your vanilla extract. And so what you want to do is you want to take this jar and you want to put it in a cool, dark place somewhere in your pantry or in a cabinet or something that's not going to get a lot of light to it. And so what you want to sit for at least 6 weeks. 6 weeks before you use it. The longer you let it sit, the more vanilla flavory it's going to be. That's right. That's my new word today. Vanilla flavory. So
I think last time we put dates on it so that we wouldn't forget.
Correct.
Right.
We wrote the date on it so we would know how long it had been sitting there. The first one we did start using after 6 weeks. It was pretty good. The next one we let sit for, I don't know, close to a year. Maybe
at least well
3/4 of a year
before,
before we started using it, and it was really good. And so this is going to get you, if you use 10 vanilla beans and a 1/5 of vodka, you're going to get 2 of these out of it, and that's going to last you for a while. And the total cost for this is going to be somewhere around $2 per ounce, which is about half of the cost that you were going to get if you bought it in the store, where they did all the stuff for you. So it's an interesting way to do that. We did it last time and really got some good vanilla extract out of it. But just a little something you can do there to save you a little money if you want to, and to
in the long run.
It's going to save
$2
you.
per
It's going to
ounce.
save you $2 per ounce.
Yeah.
And so over time, that'll. If you make a lot of this at one time, you could make 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 at a time. Just let them sit in the cabinet somewhere and only use them when you need to. And as we know, prices are only going to go up. So that'll save you a lot of money in the long run as well. So that's it. Thanks for joining us for our video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for updates from us. There's going to be some videos floating around my head there. Click one of those and check out some more tips from us, grocery hauls and fitness videos and other things that we've got floating around there. So thanks for joining me today, Christy, on the video there. So for the long run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.